Hey everybody, this is a late night update from First Warren Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Brad Penovich, keeping an eye on some changes in what we're looking at for tomorrow. The one thing that's changed that's dramatic is the amount of moisture moving further inland, which means we'll have a longer duration of precipitation, which could change things over to snow in some locations quicker, and it could be heavier, but there's still going to be a lot of melting. The melting problem is not going away. What's changed is more precipitation, maybe lasting longer. So you can see it's all rain right now, but we're starting to see that changeover occur in parts of Alabama and Mississippi, which is weird. We're seeing snow here, but here it's not snow. And in here, we're not getting snow. Big snow band back into Texas. That's an area that's seen some pretty heavy snow. Let me turn on the surface observations just to show you the temperatures. Even where the snow is falling down here, the temperatures are well above the freezing mark. And if I quickly show you the weather, this will actually show you where the snow is actually being reported. And we've had some reports of snow in here and some reports down in here. Those are most of the areas where we've seen the snow. Let me show you what it's going to look like. This is the short range models. That's kind of what we're sticking with now because we're in the kind of a short-term forecasting. This is going into the early morning hours. We'll stop this at about 6 o'clock in the morning. And you can see this definitive line that's going to set up somewhere probably north of 85 where we're likely going to see snow. Probably going to be all rain here. I wouldn't rule out some snowflakes or sleet pellets, but this is 6 o'clock in the morning. You see the snow heading towards the mountains. That's where it likely, if we're going to see a burst of heavy snow in the morning, it's going to be up in here. And I'll show you the snowfall totals just from the short range. You can see kind of the path of snow. Not a lot showing up in North Carolina, but that would be an area we'll watch. We'll go out to 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m. So this is 9 a.m. and you kind of see where that line is setting up. It's mostly rain in Charlotte, a cold rain, so I don't expect any issues in the morning. Even here, this stuff's going to be melting east of the mountains, but in the mountains we'll have to watch for some slick spots because it's cold enough there that this is going to be an issue. But I think the thing we have to watch out for tomorrow is late in the game, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to go back to the Futurecast here. As we go through tomorrow, and then tomorrow night is when things get interesting. We'll head to about 5 o'clock. Temperatures start falling, and we start getting that rain snow line getting closer to Charlotte. 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Still not really close to Charlotte, but trying to mix in. You see a lot of rain mixing in here. But as we go towards Saturday morning, there might be a little last band that forms as the cold air comes in Saturday morning. And this will be something to watch because at this time the cold air is coming in. So if there's a little fly in the ointment, it could be that Saturday morning setup. But right now, I still think rain in the morning. The big player is going to be late in the afternoon and evening for most of the Piedmont.